being social on social media. Y'all are being shady, and that's the problem.
Your shade will not get you into the rooms that you want to be into. Your nastiness will not curate connections. Being mean online and doing those I'm just saying posts that you're trying to do is not helping you in the way that you think it is. And the negative Nancy's liking and hyping you up ain't never been nowhere neither. Huh? I see a lot of Essence discourse from people who have never been to Essence, and that's crazy. I'm seeing a lot of negativity being thrown at influencers who have worked hard to be in these rooms, and that is insane, especially if you're wanting to also be in those rooms. Last year I made this post, I only got 37 views. Y'all won't hear me. I be saying stuff too early. Maybe that's why y'all won't be hearing me. But I said, if you want to strategize to be in Essence Fest, what you need to do is get your content up and be social on social media and search these PR firms. Because if you would have done that as opposed to all this mean and nasty bullshit you're throwing out, you may have had a huge chance of getting invited. These industry parties have been happening since day one. Social media just brought it to your attention, but it does not stop the fact that these have been happening for years. And you shading the next Black creator. You telling Essence what they should and shouldn't do. Not in a constructive way. I've seen some constructive criticism that's great, but in a mean-spirited, against Black women-esque vibe. Who you think hiring you, boo? Who you think inviting you to the party, babes? I don't tell grown folks what to do, but I am letting you know, being a bitch is not going to get you where you want to go. It's not. It's, you know what? So hear it. If you are a new influencer trying to break into this space, wanting to be at these industry parties so bad that you got Twitter fingers and you're like, fuck these bitches, do you think a brand who has an amazing curated relationship with the influencers you're talking about is going to invite you anywhere that they are? They have this prized person who has brought them traction, money, does good content, and you talking shit about them. Why do you think these brands would now say, oh, I'm gonna leave over here and come to you, new person? No, sis. Y'all had 365 days to look up the sponsors, the PR firms, the PR girlies behind these companies, get in touch with the other influencers, network. You had a whole year. But instead of for using that year to work, and I ain't talking about just posting everything. Everything ain't got to be posted. But instead of using that year to work and network and show good content and making sure that you're tagging and you're in these inboxes with emails, making sure you have all of your back end stuff in place, your website, your link backs, making sure all your content you're at is the same on each platform. So if they see you on one page, they can look you up on another. Instead of doing any of that, you decided you gonna blind post and then talk shit and be mad. It's quite literally insane. I'm shut the fuck up. We gonna see what y'all do next year. But I do want to know, did any of your shade get you in any rooms that you wanted to be in from 2024 to 2025? I didn't think so, but okay. Let me mind my business.